This is a Stokke Trailz, and it's one of the newer Stokke Trailz, and it has a problem whereby the front swivel wheels are hard to swivel, and yet it was just recently purchased. So I just wanted to show you the cause of this problem and how it's actually not a really big problem. It's not a mechanical problem, and it's something that you actually can deal with at home if you're having trouble with those front wheels swiveling correctly. So the front end, the front frame of a Stokke Trailz is relatively complex. It's built for longevity. It's built in order to function well on terrain. And one of the effects of this is that it is necessary to use a lubricant between the front wheel and the front frame, and it's necessary to use a specific type of lubricant. So the type they use at Stokke is Biral Fig food industry grease, and this is going to be the best type. Another thing you can use is a silicone putty, but it needs to be a thicker and not tremendously viscous lubricant. Yes? So what you're seeing here is that while this was sitting in the probably distribution center or in the store, originally the Stokke had applied this Biral food industry grease to it, but because it was sitting for a while in warehouses or in the store, that Biral food industry grease has actually dried into a powder. That powder is now coating both this and the underneath plate, and thus it's not acting, functioning well as a lubricant. This can happen. It's just a matter of it's again sitting in a warehouse or a store. And if you're having trouble with a Stokke Trailz that you've just purchased where the front wheels are not swiveling correctly, what you want to do is take out these front wheels, wipe off the remaining powder from that dried out lubricant, both on the wheel and underneath on the plate, and apply a new layer of lubricant. Again, you're best off with this Biral food industry grease, but a silicone putty will function in a pinch. You just want to put a little bit on the axle, a little bit on that plate, and then snap it back into the stroller, give it a spin, and you'll notice that the swivel wheels now function as intended very smoothly. Of course, do this to the other wheel as well, and then you're set to go. In any case, that is how you can deal with swivel issues from a newly purchased Stokke Trailz. We hope this video has been useful to you, and if it has been, we ask that you subscribe, as it helps us continue making videos in the future. Thank you.